Nice ranch for lease in the city of Fenton with Fenton schools. Just minutes from US 23, shopping, schools, parks, restaurants. Located in town. Living room has hardwood flooring. Really nice finished basement with gas fireplace, bar and half bath. Kitchen has newer appliances. 3 bedrooms, full and half bath. Large sunroom and workshop off garage. Privacy fence backyard, corner lot. Owner would prefer 2-year or more lease. Min.Tenant pays water, gas and electric, lawn maintenance and snow removal. Buyer's agent to verify all information. No pets.